Alright guys, I'm gonna install a muffler Invidia R400 in a bit. For now, we're gonna do a little sound test. See if I could set this down here. The little sound clip. By the way, that is a muffler delete, so I'm doing a before and after test. Time to go put that exhaust, guys. Yeah. I couldn't do it the other day because it was too busy. Today, hoping to get that installed today. So today we're installing a Invidia R400. It's gonna be pretty cool. I love the way it sounds compared to the other exhausts I've seen online on YouTube. Because since I live in California, the exhaust laws are pretty insane. Or not insane, I mean, it's California, what do you expect? It's been going on for a while now, so all they're doing is just embracing it more. So people don't cheat the system. Hey, you want to live in California, right? So that's the reason I picked the Invidia R400, just because it has a nice low deep sound. It's not really aggressive, which is what I like. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. We're almost done, guys. It's turning out pretty good. Here's the final piece. Just kidding, guys. I don't drive a Toyota. But hope you guys liked the video. I know I didn't do any like legit like sound test for the Invidia R400. It's just because I go to school and I work. I mean, I'm working right now, so it's pretty busy. My schedule's pretty busy. So hopefully by the end of this weekend, I'll do a better sound test, and then see what other future mods and I guess future mods and performance parts or whatever I'll do to the vehicle. See you guys next time.